Hi there, this is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I have your winter planning briefing recorded on Sunday, December 3rd. So a few of the key points: we are going to have another weather system moving in today, Sunday, that's going to bring a transition from snow initially to mixed precipitation tonight into Monday morning. Then as we get into the Monday-Wednesday time frame, we're going to be looking at a mild and wet weather system with rising snow levels. And then snow will return to passes on Thursday and potentially down to all elevations by Friday. Here's that weather threat matrix, again highlighting that pass level snow and some heavy rain as we go through the Monday-Tuesday time frame. And then again, as we get towards Thursday and Friday, increasing chances of some snow. Looking at the satellite imagery, here's our current weather system that's going to be pushing some moisture into the region. With that, there's a warm front, so we'll see some gradually rising snow levels and that transition from snow to mixed precipitation. And then looking further upstream, this is our next weather system that's got a deep amount of atmospheric moisture, sometimes called an atmospheric river, associated with it, and that's going to be bringing in some heavy rain towards the Tuesday-Wednesday time frame. Looking at the precipitation trends for the week, I'll start by highlighting this kind of sloppy mixed precipitation that we're expecting as we go through the rest of today into early Monday morning, with a lot of areas seeing that transition from snow to freezing rain and maybe even some rain in the mix. As we get towards Tuesday, Wednesday, snow levels come way up, and so you'll see virtually all locations are reflecting rainfall, but then as we get out towards Thursday, Friday, you'll see that transition back to snow. And that's pretty well reflected here in the temperature trends this week, with Tuesday kind of highlighted as likely the warmest day this week, and then a gradual decrease with temperatures returning back towards seasonal normals by Friday and the weekend. So zooming in on the tonight, Monday morning time frame, this left graphic is showing snowfall potential. This is kind of a higher end amount forecast, so there's only about a 25% chance of higher amounts than this. The main focus is going to be over the mountain passes along the Idaho-Montana border, where we're looking at anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, as well as up towards Marias Pass. Valleys across north central Idaho and western Montana will likely be starting out as snow, other than the lowest valleys over here in central Idaho. And we're expecting maybe an inch or two of snow at the most, but because of that transition I mentioned, there is potential to see some freezing rain develop this evening and overnight, especially from Missoula northward. Not expecting a lot of accumulation out of this, but enough to create some black ice and some slick spots out there. Now, as I mentioned, as we move into the Monday-Wednesday time frame, it's going to be mild and wet with the atmospheric river moving into place. Snow levels on Monday afternoon will be between 4,000 to 6,000 feet, quickly increasing by Tuesday afternoon as high as 8,000 feet. So with that, most all elevations will be transitioning over to rain. Liquid precipitation amounts are going to be focused and heaviest across northwest Montana and north central Idaho, where we're expecting 1 to 2 inches of rain in the northwest Montana valleys and 2 to 4 inches in the higher terrain. So with that, just a few concerns. Some rising rivers and stream levels are expected, though we do not see flooding potential at this time. There could be some ponding water in poor drainage areas, and in areas that continue to have ground temperatures at or below freezing, there is potential to see some black ice formation in the overnight and early morning hours. Now I'm just going to step through and kind of show you the trends on a few of our passes. This is Lookout Pass, and again you'll see that snow focus for the rest of the today into this evening. Then you'll see temperatures really warm up, and we're expecting rain up there until we get into that Thursday into Friday time frame. And I'll quickly step through the other passes, but you'll see similar trends for Lolo Pass, Lost Trail Pass, and Marias Pass. So that's all I have for today. The next briefing is scheduled for Thursday, December 7th. And in the meantime, please call or give us an email with any questions. Thanks and have a great day.